Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Dennis Alexander here with Dent Baron, looking to go out on the hail trail soon to partner with a body shop or PDR company for hail damage repairs. If you're a body shop or a PDR company in need of a hail damage repair technician, I'd be glad to come out and help you guys. Communication is the most important thing with us. Having an open communication with the body shop or other PDR company is very important. Keeps everything transparent and flowing properly. Typical repairs, I mean, this is what we see on a regular basis. First thing, we do estimates, supplement request, all photos needed for estimates and supplements, four corners, VINs. We do our own RNI. Give us a call at 919-988-0022, or you can text that number, email me, dennis@dentbaron.com. That would be great. Look forward to speaking with you, and have a great day.